Want to gurgle a little bit?
Yeah.
This is Finn after his dinner. Just chatting a little bit with Daddy. What else?
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
That's good.
What else?
Yeah.
Oh.
You say you wanted to change?
You want Daddy to go put you in your PJs?
You want to change?
Is that a yes? Uh-huh. Oh. Yeah?
Good stuff.
What do you think? Oh, somebody's tired. So, Daddy, get me to bed. Oh, yeah. Oh, I'm done. Ready for Betty Bye? Daddy's coming.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Squirmy wormy. Squirmy